Another banger. Hey everybody, it's your girl African and welcome back to my channel. Today I got you guys with another unboxing sneaker video. I will be reviewing the ASICS GT-2160 gender inclusive Paris sneaker. Yeah, that's a long title, but that's the sneakers I'm going to be showing y'all today, and also we'll show you guys how I style these sneakers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in.
Flip a switch on a fraction, come alive in the nighttime in the club sipping Hennessy.
So I got me my first pair of ASICs, as you guys can see. I will throw in some b-roll footage throughout the video as usual, but these are the ASICS GT-2160 and they're in such a cute, unique colorway. I love the silver and the cream combination. I think that's what caught my eye with the hints of like the neon colors on it. I've never had a pair of ASICs, so I've been dying to try their shoes just because it seems comfortable, practical, and also stylish. And with me living in the city, I walk a lot and I just want to make sure my shoe game still looks top tier but also is comfortable. I know ASICs tend to be used for like running. I think for these shoes specifically, they're like more lifestyle shoes. I think you can run with these. I am not too sure, but ASICS is known for creating like running shoes. So the size that I got for my ASICs, I think they're in a size, 7.5. So I had to go up half a size in them because they run small, that's why. So it's in a men's size 6, but a woman's size 7.5. So I had to go up half a size for that. And then it fits perfectly. I'm normally like a size 7 in women's. So yeah, there's that reference. But these shoes are so cute, so cute. I don't have like a proper white shoe. I think it's just now it's this, my Sambas, and then these other pair of shoes that I will show you guys in the future. But anyways, these ASICs were priced at $120. I don't think that's crazy expensive, but then again, I know sneakers have gone up within the last year, so maybe $120 for sneakers is for ASICs is maybe it's pricey. I'm not sure, but $120 is okay. Like, that's fine. Like, I'm the type to spend money on my shoes over my bags. Yeah, I'm more of a shoe girl because I love sneakers. So one thing I really like about these shoes is that you can remove the soles. A lot of shoes you can remove the soles, but this particularly, the ASICS, you can remove the soles easily and change the soles if you like to, and that can also add extra comfort into it. I also love how there's gel cushion in the shoes, so that's definitely gonna help with like standing for long periods of time. I can't wait to test these out and wear them, but I hear a lot of good reviews about them. I actually saw it on one of my coworkers' feet. She has the same one, and I asked her if it's comfortable, and she loves it. Like, she loves it. So she said it's really comfortable and it doesn't hurt your feet and anything like that. So I was like, okay. That also influenced my purchase decision to just get them. So this is a really cute colorway. I do want to get another pair of ASICs, but maybe one that's a little bit more like something that's crazy unique, like different colors on it or something, and not like, I don't know. I just know that I want another pair of ASICs. I know I want a pair of ASICs. But I'm so excited to get these because these look so comfy. Let's put it on my feet and see what that looks like. I've tried it on my feet before, but let's see. Let's remove the stuffing.
Big smoke,
I've always been a fan of dad sneakers, and I feel like ASICS and New Balances are literally like dad sneakers. So I really do love the silhouette of these sneakers because they're like chunky but not too chunky. I have small feet, I feel like, but most people will say it's average. I know it's average, but like, I don't know, my feet, people look at my feet and they're like, oh my gosh, you have small feet. I don't think I got like tiny feet. I mean, they are pretty small. I'm not gonna hold you. I feel like my feet is small, but the silhouette of this kind of complements that. It makes it nice as compared to when I tried the Bottega Orbit sneakers. I don't know why I thought those sneakers were gonna be fire on my feet. No, it made my feet look like duck feet, and I didn't like that, so I gave those back. But however, ASICS and New Balances, they're my fave. And also Saucony's, that's something new that I also have. Let me show you the pair that I have. These Saucony sneakers are so comfortable. I've been wearing them a lot, guys. And they're very simple. They're just like silver, white, and black. Really, every time people look at my feet, they're just like, oh my gosh, are those ASICS? I'm like, no, they're Saucony's. And like, I get major compliments on it. They're so comfortable, guys. Like, I can stand all day with these shoes. And they are breathable. Like, there's literally mesh ventilation on the side of the detailing, but it's not about Saucony's, it's about ASICS. So just want to show you, I clearly love dad sneakers. So I purchased my ASICS straight from Nordstrom. I like to use Nordstrom to buy most of my sneakers, honestly, because when I look at the women's sneakers area and I see what's new in, helps me to see a lot of the new stuff that I like. And then also goat.com definitely helps me to see what new sneakers are on there. I purchased my ASICS off of Nordstrom. They were $120. I think they're sold out right now, but they will definitely be restocked, I assume. And also they do have other colorways and other styles of ASICS on Nordstrom. Or you can even search these on GOAT or StockX if you guys want the same exact pair. So yeah, so that's where I got mine from. I think what I really like about it too is also like this, it's just really the silver. Like, look at this, it just looks so nice. The bottom of the shoe looks pretty interesting. Like, I don't know, like it just looks like a star here or something. I don't know, maybe people were looking at me like, what the heck are you talking about? But it just looks cool. Like the silver underneath here, it's nice. And then that pop of like that awkward green yellow color right here. I think it's just really interesting, and you have a lot of ways to style this. You can either do an all black outfit and have this be the popping out, or if you want to mimic these like the slate gray and do something with like play with the greens kind of. I think you just have some room with that. So I really like that, and also with the hint of the orange can help you, you know, brighten it up with like in the summer look or something. So I can't wait to show you guys the outfits that I came up with. It was a little bit tricky based on the fact that like I am purging my closet, so I don't really have many stuff to like piece things because I want to like redo my wardrobe. But I made 4 outfits for this shoe, so I think that's good enough. But yeah, comment down below like how you would style it and how you would dress up this shoe. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the style with me video. Alright guys, so I have to do a voice recording over my videos because I do want to share some thoughts that I have about these outfits that I'm going to show you. So this first outfit that I have here, super simple. I got my Abercrombie jeans on, my cream cardigan from Missy Empire, and then my white crop t-shirt from Zara. And then I have the Telfar bag, which is really the statement piece of this outfit, because it's like in that safety orange color, and I think that helps pop out the orange that's on the sneaker as well. Very simple. It's not my fave, but it's definitely a nice, simple, easy, I need an outfit to put on real quick and head out kind of look. Yeah. And then this next outfit, I don't know what I was trying to do, but honestly, I think I'm liking it. At first, when I was editing this video, I was like, wait, I don't know if I like this. And then I waited a couple of days and looked back at this video again. And I was just like, wait, I think I kind of like this outfit. For some reason, it just makes me tilt my head. And sometimes that could also be a good thing and not just a bad thing. But kind of questioning, okay, why does she piece these items together? But I think it goes. Like, yeah, I don't have any like lime green or safety orange in this outfit. But I think the cream and the silver in it snaps. Definitely, if I accessorize it more, would be best. But I think the foundation of his outfit is pretty cute. And sexy too, especially with my hair half up, half down, with the 2 pieces in the front. Find me a nice skinny pair of glasses, like reading glasses. Yeah, I think it would be really cute, like a cute like schoolgirl look. This next outfit is very simple, but I think will be really great for work. This is definitely like one of my go-to outfits in the spring sometimes, especially when I go to work. I have this white tank top from Zara on, and then my slacks from NAKD haul. And then of course with my OG Coach Brooklyn bag. Love this bag so much because I can fit everything in it. But My outfit, notice this outfit doesn't have orange or neon green in it. I think that's okay in my opinion. And I really just honed in on the cream and the white that's in the shoe. I think it just makes it interesting, I don't know. So then lastly is my fourth outfit. I actually really like this outfit, okay? At first I was like, what am I doing? But I see what I was trying to go with this, okay? I really do like how I'm wearing this long line open back tank top that I got from Zara, paired it with my cowhide bag from Yido, and then also paired it with my satin skirt from Zara. It's like in a steel color, but I think that brings out the metallics that is in the shoe already, like the silver. I know this outfit doesn't have any lime green or safety orange, but something about this look I think eats. Maybe if I switch out my accessories, maybe add a little hint of green, or sometimes again, like I said, like maybe you don't have to showcase those colors, the lime green and the orange, into the outfit. But I kind of like how it looks already. It just looks different, very cute, very sexy, easy to wear if you're going out with your friends, going on a date, something casual. Really like it. Please do not mind the skirt not being steamed. Girl, I just threw it on and show you guys what outfit that I had in mind to pair with these shoes. So let me know in the comment box below, guys, your thoughts on the outfits that I showed y'all. Very interesting, not what I expected, but I'm actually liking the outfits that I created here. I forgot to close out this video, so thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.